Welcome to EXACTIX, Sunshine 811's online platform for creating and managing your locate tickets. In this video, you'll learn how to search for the dig site using GPS coordinates. After you've entered your dig site information and a detailed locate description, select the magnifying glass on the map. Use the drop-down arrow for search options and choose latitude-longitude coordinate. In EXACTIX, the longitude coordinates must be entered first, followed by a comma, and then the latitude coordinates. When finished, hit enter. A red pin will mark the coordinates entered. This does not mean that the dig site is selected. To do that, you must manually select the location using the mapping tools. If you need additional help, please visit my.sunshine811.com and click Technical Support. You can also contact one of our ITE support representatives by calling 811 and selecting option 7 from the menu.